are, friends. Get those pencils ready. We're going to be drawing Bendy and the ink machine. All right, so to start with, what we're going to do is we are going to start with his head. He's going to have a great big head here, the body, feet, arms, and so forth. So to start with, we're going to draw like kind of a C, if you're looking at it this way and it's backwards. Okay, then we're going to draw the hand. So the hand is going to be right here, and we're going to draw the glove because he's got a glove on. So we're going to draw a circle like that, or oval, and then we're going to draw coming up. There's his thumb. Now we're going to come up. 1, 2, 3. Should we give him 3 fingers? No, he has 4. There we go. And then it's just going to come back in. Okay. So that is his hand. So now we're going to draw the face that comes around, because the hand is on the face. So we had to kind of put that on there first. Okay. So then we've got a line coming up for the white part of his face and then coming back around. And then we've got his teeth that are kind of like an oval, and then they've got lines in them. There we are. And we've got an eyeball here that is a curved line. It's like a letter N on it. We have a white spot. And it looks like he's kind of dissolving over here. So this is all going to be drippy. Hoo hoo hoo. All right. So now we're going to draw an arm coming out like so. And then it's going to come in. And then he's got a bow tie here, which is going to start with a kind of soft square with kind of a droopy little rectangle coming off of it like that. And it's got a few little pieces on it. And then we've got another arm coming out right here. The glove, a thumb, then we've got some fingers. There we go. And then he's got this little, we'll put a little neck here. There we go. Then he's got this belly coming down and around. And then this is going to come down, meet up with the arm, and then this comes, I think we're going to bring this in a little bit. There we go. There is his tummy tum-tum. Then he's got one leg kind of kicking out like so, and he's got this big old boot on his foot. Big circle on the front, and then there's a little shine thing on it. There we go. And then he's got this other foot that is coming out like leg, I should say, and then it comes down. And then he's got another boot. Put another little shiny spot on that. And of course, what would it be without all the drips hanging out all over the place? Ooh, hoo, hoo, inky. All right, well, I think that's probably good. We've got some more little lines on here where it's real shiny. Okay, so if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Middle School Art Mania and be a maniac. Thanks for watching.